This is a walk around of my 1984 fully restored BJ 42. Here's the engine bay. We have a new radiator, a couple of new batteries. We have all new parts that can be new parts, are new parts. We have a phenomenally restored BJ 42 diesel, and it is turbocharged. Do a quick walk around. You can see the quality of the restoration work was exceptional. As we go underneath, we have the back ambulance style doors, original OEM bumpers, original OEM glass, all brand new. You can see the condition of the headliner is, many would say, excellent. I agree. And here's the underneath the rear deck. We have a couple of fold down chairs. We have the original toolkit. We have the original manuals. We have all the original componentry. Very well done. Everything closes the way it should. And there you go. Here's an undershot. Old Man Emu suspension. It's about a 1.5 inch lift, which is just perfect. You can see everything's powder coated, everything's clean, and looks like it's ready for a new home. Very excited to see this vehicle find a new home and be driven. It deserves it. Let's go ahead and open the driver's door. We have brand new OEM panels flown in from Japan. We have fully smooth operating glass. And you can see the condition of the dash being 100% restored, 784 miles since the restoration. The seats are recovered in original OEM vinyl. And you can see the original OEM radio. Very well restored, as it should be, as it deserves. This is one of 239 ever made. Now we're going to go ahead and start it. There's the diesel light for the glow plug. That's nice. Now let's go for a ride. All right, we are ready to go for our test drive and check a couple things. Systems check. Also, I notice that there is a, I would say, covertly hidden, that's exhaust gas temperature, which I think is a must on every turbo installation. And I keep it below 600 degrees C. That's what's recommended by the turbo manufacturer. Alright, we're going to get started. 5-speed training. Drop out the clutch, plenty of torque. Yeah, it's pretty peppy, that's for sure, the turbo. Nice and flat. We're going to get on the highway here and get her up to highway speeds for you. vehicle are spectacular. Front discs really well, and you know, we just got off the highway speed, and we still have not downshifted. The engine is very flexible with the transmission package. Gives you plenty of ability to drive around in second and third gear pretty much most of the time. Second, third, and fourth. Obviously has a 5-speed, so it runs real well on the highway. 65, 70 miles an hour all day long.